Imagine this, you're a freelancer just starting out. You've landed a few gigs, things are looking good. But then the dreaded task arrives, managing your finances. Receipts pile up, invoices get forgotten, and suddenly your shoebox accounting system feels, well, inadequate. There's gotta be a better way, right? A way to ditch the paper cuts and enter the wonderful world of digital bookkeeping. But before you dive headfirst into expensive accounting software, there's a question. Can you get something good for free? That's where Zoho Books comes in. It boasts a free plan that promises to streamline your finances. But is it too good to be true? Let's break down Zoho Books' free plan and see if it can be your financial knight in shining armor. The freedom of free. What does Zoho Books offer? The beauty of Zoho Books' free plan is its simplicity. It caters specifically to small businesses and freelancers with an annual revenue under a specific threshold, which varies by region, but we'll get to that later. Here's what you get with the free plan. Invoicing powerhouse. Say goodbye to handwritten invoices. Create, customize, and send invoices to your clients with a few clicks. No more chasing down payments. Zoho Books even lets you collect payments online. Expense tracker extraordinaire. No more digging through your backpack for receipts. Snap a picture with your phone, upload it to Zoho Books, and categorize your expenses with ease. You'll be a budgeting pro in no time. Reporting like a boss. Need to understand your financial health? Zoho Books generates basic reports that give you a clear picture of your income, expenses, and overall financial standing. Mobile marvel. Manage your finances on the go. The Zoho Books mobile app lets you view invoices, track expenses, and stay on top of your cash flow, all from your smartphone. Limitations? We've got you covered. Now, before you get too excited, there are some limitations to the free plan. Here's what you need to keep in mind. Invoice limit. There's a cap on the number of invoices you can create per year. This limit varies depending on your region, but it's typically around 1,000 invoices. Limited features. The free plan doesn't offer some of the more advanced features found in Zoho Books paid plans, like inventory management, project tracking, and advanced reporting. Single user only. The free plan is meant for solopreneurs or freelancers. If you have a team, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. So, is Zoho Books free the right choice for you? Here's the deal. Zoho Books free plan is a fantastic option for freelancers and small businesses just starting out. It helps you ditch the paper mess, create professional invoices, track your expenses, and gain basic insights into your finances. But if your business grows or you need more advanced features, the limitations of the free plan might hold you back. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks features like inventory management, project tracking, and more users. Zoho Books free plan is a great way to take control of your finances without breaking the bank. It's perfect for freelancers and small businesses looking to ditch the manual methods and embrace the digital world. However, if your business scales or you need more advanced features, you'll eventually need to consider a paid plan. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But with its user-friendly interface and robust free plan, Zoho Books is definitely worth checking out if you're looking to streamline your finances and free yourself from the shackles of paper cuts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.